All right, we are on my new Luna folding bike. Insane power, and we are trying to go up the famous 18% grade Mountain Gate Road. And we are in a low gear. This is a really high quality bike, people. It's a folding bike, but it has what does it have? It has a 52 volt battery, 12 amp hours, so really big. It has a mid-drive motor, 750 watt, 1500 peak. And when you're in, when you just touch the throttle, the bike literally like lunges forward. Did you see that right there? When I'm on flat ground and I just touched the throttle the very first time, the bike literally like picked up. The whole front lifted up like, you know, 12 inches. So you could literally do a wheelie on this freaking thing. Okay, so right now I'm in gear 2, pedal assist 2, and we're throttling up this 18% grade. Literally throttling up it. Okay, absolutely freaking insane. I was gonna pedal up it and then I just hit the throttle and it's literally pulling me up. So we're on a folding bike going up a 18% grade Mountain Gate Road. It's literally insane. And I'm coming upon this guy here in a minute that is riding his bike up this. Like, God bless this man. And he looks like he's like 50 or 60. I don't get how he's doing that, but he is. So, or I'm gonna use a little bit of pedal assist just to kind of help the motor a little bit. I don't want to kill the freaking motor. But like, my God, people, this thing is literally taking me up the steepest hill I've ever been up. I mean, you almost have to stand at an angle or you're gonna fall over. This is such a freaking steep hill. May not look like it, but it freaking is. Now we're gonna blow by this Superman here. God bless you, man.
Hey, you too.
I'm on an e-bike.
Oh, okay.
Keep working. You're doing great. All right, that guy is literally my hero. All right, people, we're literally flying up at 12 miles an hour on a folding bike. Wow. Granted, we're pulling a lot of wattage. There's no question about that. But this bike is really light. They claim it's 37 pounds, but that's with the old battery that was like a lot smaller, like a 6 amp hour. This is 12 amp hour, so I think this one might be twice as heavy. So maybe it's like 42 pounds, let's call it. So again, still a very light bike. Yeah, I went up this hill on my 750 watt mid-drive, the Fang mid-drive, big mountain bike. Basically kind of like the same motor as this thing, but you know, that's even heavier. So I would imagine this is no problem getting up this. I just can't believe that I'm literally throttling, but I didn't throttle that. No way. I freaking pedaled in first gear and I used pedal assist 5. This thing I'm literally thumb throttling right now, no pedaling, and I'm literally going up this thing 11 miles an hour. Insane. Insane. Wow. Somebody on one of the forums that had this bike said that he has to commute uphill, like up a mountain, to work. And he goes throttle only for 35 minutes without letting off the throttle, uphill, up a mountain to get to work on this thing. On this. And I was like, bullshit. No, he really freaking does. I believe it. Because I'm basically going up a mountain right now and I'm using throttle only. And I'm going 11 miles an hour. So, for those that don't know, I'm 6 foot, 210 pounds. God, the sweet sound of this motor, man. Luna, baby, Luna cycle. I just picked it up today. This is like, it's like taking a ski lift, you know, up a mountain. I can't believe this. Wow. So this bike is like one of those mid drives where when you use the bike gearing, it affects the throttle, you know, performance. So in other words, to go up a hill like this, I literally have to be in second gear. If I was in a high gear, it wouldn't work. It would just be too, it would be, you know, the RPMs would be too high. If I wanted to go top speed, I would have to be in ninth gear. So that's the way that works. And that's kind of the way my other mid-drive works as well. So literally, people, we just freaking went up Mountain Gate Road on a folding bike. So this freaking Luna bike is literally insane. It's literally insane. Okay, now we're in gear 7. And now you can see I can get major top speed. All right. This thing goes 30 miles an hour. But right now I'm going 21, 22, 23, you know? So, wow, people.